Today, we're going to be looking at 5 houses for sale in St. James. House number 1. This is a 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom house found on Sugar Mill Road in the community of Iron Shore, Montego Bay, St. James. The size of this house is 4,500 square feet and it's on the market for $900,000 US. Let's go on the inside. First up, we have the living area, dining area, and next is the kitchen. From here, we're going to move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. Third. Fourth bedroom. And this is a 5th bedroom. Out of 6 bedrooms, only 5 were shown. Next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. Second bathroom. Third bathroom. And this is a 4th bathroom. Four bathrooms were shown out of the 5. From here, we're going to head to the back of the house where there is a swimming pool. And that would be the end of the images for house number 1. House number 2. This 7-bedroom, 6-bathroom house is found in Portobello in Montego Bay, St. James. The size of this property is 13,056 square feet, while the house has 9,100 square feet of living space. This house is currently on the market for $500,000 US. Let's take a closer look. First, we have the veranda. We then move from here to the first living area. This is the second living area. And here is the dining area and kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. Fourth. And this is a 5th bedroom. Out of 7 bedrooms, 5 were shown. Next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. This house has 6 bathrooms, however only 2 were shown. Lastly, we have the balcony. And that will be the end of the images for house number 2. House number 3. This 7-bedroom, 7-bathroom house is located in Bogue Heights in Montego Bay, St. James. The size of this house is 4,600 square feet and it's being sold for $495,000 US. Let's go and take a closer look. First, we have the front porch. We then move from here to the first living and dining area. Next, we have the second living and dining area. Here is the third living area. And this is the third dining area. Next are the kitchens. Here's the first kitchen. And this is a second kitchen. We then move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, third, fourth, fifth bedroom, and this is a sixth bedroom. Up next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, second bathroom, and this is the third bathroom. Out of 6 bathrooms, only 3 were shown. Followed by that, we have the balcony, next is the rooftop terrace. From here, we're going to head outside to take a look at the property. That would be the end for house number 3. House number 4. This is a 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom house found in Westgate in Montego Bay, St. James. The square footage of this house is 8,400 square feet and it's been sold for $450,000 US. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living area, dining area, and next is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, third, this is the fourth bedroom, and this is the fifth bedroom. We then move on to the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, second bathroom, and this is the third bathroom. Out of 6 bathrooms, only 3 were shown. Lastly, we have the balcony. And that would be the end of the images for house number 4. House number 5. This is a 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom house found in Northern Estates in Montego Bay, St. James. The size of this house is 3,500 square feet and it's on the market for $240,000 US. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living area, dining area, and next is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, third, and this is the fourth bedroom. Out of 5 bedrooms, only 4 were shown. Followed by that are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, second bathroom, third, and this is the fourth bathroom. This house has 5 bathrooms, however only 4 were shown. Next we have the balcony. And lastly, we're going to head to the back of the property. That will then be the end for house number 5. That also brings us to the end of the video. So if you are interested in any of the houses that were shown, I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.